by Nevs.
Today I'm here to discuss about the top case piece of our new watch Huawei GT4, which I have all the colors right now for 46mm. So first of all, we're gonna discuss about the octagonal design. So come, let's show to the viewers. See, this is the first time Huawei is coming this kind of shape, which we call the octagonal shape. So most of the watches are coming in the round shape or square shape. This is the first time Huawei is giving the smartwatch, which is Huawei GT4, which is only come in the luxury watches, the octagonal shape. So first time Huawei is giving in our GT4 series. So first time Huawei is coming with a UX design. So I'm gonna show you what UX called. So on a one screen you can use 21 apps. See, this is the best thing right now Huawei is giving you. You're gonna touch any app here and you can use any app from here. 21 apps you can use right now. So our second case piece about the battery. So Huawei GT4 you can charge 2 times in a whole month. So 14 days of battery life for the 46mm and 7 days of battery life for the 41mm. So our third KSP is upgraded 24/7 health management, where you're getting 24/7 heart rate monitoring, 24/7 SpO2 monitoring and 24/7 stress monitoring. And additionally you're getting also female health tracking, where you can track the health management for the female. So Huawei GT4 comes with many all-day health monitoring features, which are designed to provide the accurate analysis for better health of every consumer. So it comes with also female health tracking, which can help women to predict and prepare for their next cycle, and also it can indicate when will be the chances of conceiving high. Welcome to the new world of Huawei GT4. This is all from my side. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.